Are you looking? The demand for high-quality charcoal has surged as more grilling enthusiasts seek the perfect balance of heat, flavor, and burn time. Whether you're a casual backyard chef, a competitive smoker, or a weekend griller, choosing the right charcoal can elevate your cooking experience. This guide evaluates key factors such as fuel type, heat output, burn consistency, and overall value to help you find the best charcoal for list number.
Rockwood Natural Lump Charcoal, Premium Oak, Hickory, and Cherry Hardwood Blend for high heat grilling. Rockwood's natural lump charcoal is a top-tier choice for smokers who want authentic hardwood flavor, combined with strong, consistent heat. Made from a blend of oak, hickory, and cherry hardwoods, this charcoal offers a rich, smoky aroma that enhances the taste of your meats without overpowering them. Its natural lump form lights quickly and burns hotter than briquettes, making it ideal for high-heat grilling and long smoke sessions. The irregular chunk sizes allow for good airflow and temperature control, critical for smoking. Rockwood's eco-friendly sourcing and minimal ash production add to its appeal, ensuring a
List no. FOGO Super Premium Hardwood Lump Charcoal. Natural, large-size lump charcoal for grilling and smoking. FOGO Super Premium Hardwood Lump Charcoal stands out with its large, uniform chunks that provide a steady, intense heat, perfect for long smoking sessions. This Brazilian-made charcoal is crafted from dense hardwood, which means it burns longer and produces a cleaner smoke flavor that won't taint your food. FOGO's minimal ash residue and natural composition make it an excellent option for health-conscious grillers who avoid chemical additives. The large lump size also helps maintain steady airflow for temperature stability, a must for slow smoking delicate cuts like brisket or ribs. If you want durability and a List 3. Royal Oak 100% Charcoal Hardwood Pellets for real BBQ flavor, grilling and smoking. Royal Oak's hardwood pellets provide a convenient and consistent fuel source for pellet grills and smokers. Made from 100% natural hardwood, these pellets are designed to deliver real BBQ flavor with a steady burn rate, making them perfect for low and slow smoking. Unlike traditional lump charcoal, pellets produce less ash and ignite quickly, allowing for easy temperature control and less fuss during long cooks. Their compact size fits pellet grill hoppers perfectly, ensuring a continuous flow of fuel for hours. These pellets are also versatile enough for grilling and smoking, providing a mild smoky aroma that complements a variety. List number.
WH Natural Fire Starters for Campfires and Grill. 5 pounds, 185 pieces large box, long-burning charcoal starters. WH Natural Fire Starters are a must-have accessory for anyone who enjoys smoking or grilling outdoors. These 185 large pieces come in a 5-pound box and provide a long-burning, easy-to-use method to ignite your charcoal quickly without lighter fluid or harmful chemicals. Made from natural wood fibers and wax, they ignite fast and sustain heat long enough to get your charcoal burning evenly, simplifying the process for both beginners and seasoned grillers. Their compact size makes them perfect for use in grills, smokers, and even campfires. If you want list number. Kingsford Original Charcoal Briquettes, barbecue charcoal for grilling, 16 pounds, package may vary. Kingsford Original Charcoal Briquettes have long been a favorite among grillers for their reliable, consistent heat and affordability. Made from a blend of wood byproducts and additives, these briquettes burn evenly and maintain a steady temperature for extended periods, making them suitable for both grilling and smoking. Their uniform size ensures easy stacking and airflow, which is critical for controlling your fire's heat. Although they produce more ash than lump charcoal, they are widely available and offer excellent value for those who smoke or grill frequently. Perfect for everyday use, Kingsford's briquettes remain a staple in the barbecue community.